Cold hands and feet driving you crazy? That icy sensation that makes you want to wrap yourself in blankets even during summer? What if I told you there's a simple technique that can warm up your extremities in just 60 seconds? And it doesn't require any special equipment or expensive treatments. Stay with me because what I am about to share could change how you experience comfort in your own body. Welcome to BioWell Hub, where we explore natural solutions for everyday health challenges. Today we're diving deep into why your hands and feet feel like ice blocks, and more importantly, how to fix it fast using methods your body already knows but has forgotten how to use effectively. Let's talk about what's really happening when your fingers and toes turn into frozen popsicles. Your body is incredibly intelligent. When it senses cold or stress, it prioritizes keeping your vital organs warm, which means blood flow gets redirected away from your extremities. Think of it like a city during a power shortage. The main hospital and emergency services get power first, while residential areas might have to wait. Your hands and feet are essentially the residential neighborhoods of your circulatory system. But here's where it gets interesting. Poor circulation isn't always about being in a cold environment. Chronic stress, sitting for long periods, dehydration, nutritional deficiencies, and even tight clothing can all contribute to that perpetual chill in your fingers and toes. Your blood vessels constrict, circulation slows down, and suddenly, you're reaching for gloves indoors. Now let me share the 1-minute technique that can kickstart your circulation immediately. It's called contrast breathing with compression, and it works by creating a rapid signal to your nervous system that tells your body it's safe to send blood back to your extremities. Here's exactly how to do it. Start by sitting comfortably with both feet flat on the ground. Take one hand and wrap it around the opposite wrist firmly, not painfully tight, just firm enough that you feel gentle pressure. Now take a deep breath in through your nose for 4 counts, while you squeeze that wrist a bit tighter. Hold the breath and the squeeze for 4 counts. Then release both the breath and the grip simultaneously through your mouth. Do this 3 times on one wrist, then switch to the other wrist for 3 more cycles. You've just used 20 seconds. For the remaining 40 seconds, we're moving to your feet. While seated, lift one foot slightly off the ground and start making circles with your ankle. 10 circles in one direction, then 10 in the opposite direction. Switch feet and repeat. As you do this, consciously breathe deeply and imagine warm blood flowing down through your legs and into your feet. This combination of movement, pressure, and breath work creates what's called a parasympathetic response. Your nervous system shifts out of fight or flight mode and into rest and digest mode, which is when your body feels safe enough to dilate those blood vessels again and let warmth flood back into your extremities. But the 1-minute technique is just the beginning. Let's talk about what you can do throughout your day to maintain that warmth naturally. Hydration is absolutely crucial and often overlooked. Your blood is about 50% water, so when you're dehydrated, your blood becomes thicker and harder to pump to those far-reaching areas of your body. Aim for at least 8 glasses of water daily. And here's a pro tip. Drink warm or room temperature water rather than ice-cold water, which can actually trigger your body to constrict blood vessels further. Movement is your best friend. Every 30 minutes of sitting, stand up and do 10 jumping jacks or simply march in place for 30 seconds. This keeps your circulation active throughout the day. If you work at a desk, consider a small footrest that you can rock back and forth on, keeping those lower leg muscles engaged without even thinking about it. Spices are nature's circulatory boosters. Cayenne pepper, ginger, cinnamon, and turmeric all have compounds that help dilate blood vessels and improve blood flow. Try starting your morning with warm lemon water mixed with a 1/4 teaspoon of cayenne and fresh grated ginger. It might sound intense, but it's like giving your circulatory system a gentle wake-up call. Magnesium deficiency is incredibly common and directly linked to poor circulation and cold extremities. This mineral helps relax blood vessels and improve blood flow. Foods rich in magnesium include dark leafy greens, nuts, seeds, avocados, and dark chocolate. Yes, dark chocolate. You're welcome. If you suspect you're deficient, consider talking to your healthcare provider about supplementation. Here's something most people don't realize. The way you breathe affects your circulation more than you might think. Shallow chest breathing, which most of us do when we're stressed or focused on screens, doesn't fully oxygenate your blood. Practice diaphragmatic breathing several times throughout your day. Place one hand on your chest and one on your belly. Breathe so that only the belly hand moves. This fuller breathing style ensures your blood is carrying maximum oxygen to all parts of your body, including those chilly extremities. Temperature contrast therapy is another powerful tool. Alternating between warm and cold water exposure causes your blood vessels to dilate and constrict, which essentially gives them a workout. Try ending your shower with 30 seconds of cool water on your hands and feet, or fill 2 basins with water, one comfortably warm and one cool, and alternate, dipping your feet between them for 1 minute each, repeating 3 times. Let's not forget about compression. Gentle compression socks can help improve venous return, which means they help push blood back up from your feet toward your heart, improving overall circulation. Just make sure they're not too tight, as overly restrictive clothing has the opposite effect. The beautiful thing about these natural approaches is that they work with your body as innate wisdom, rather than against it. You're not masking symptoms. You're addressing root causes and teaching your body to regulate its own temperature and circulation more effectively. So the next time your hands and feet feel like blocks of ice, remember that 1-minute technique. Remember that your body wants to be warm and comfortable. It just needs the right signals and support to make that happen. Small, consistent actions create lasting change. Thanks for watching BioWell Hub. If this video helped you understand your body a little better and gave you practical tools to feel more comfortable, hit that like button and subscribe for more natural health solutions. Drop a comment below and let me know if you tried the 1-minute technique and how it worked for you. Stay warm, stay well, and I'll see you in the next video.